Welcome, bakers. Choosing the best cake pan can take your baking from good to spectacular. Whether you're crafting perfect layers, rich bundt cakes, or something totally unique, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll reveal top-rated pans, must-have features, and tips to make every bake a masterpiece. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Highware 8-inch non-stick Springform pan. Every baker's kitchen needs a reliable Springform pan, and the Highware 6-inch Springform pan is a standout option, built with lightweight steel and reinforced by a durable stainless steel buckle. It combines practicality with long-lasting performance. Known for their versatility, Springform pans are ideal for baking delicate desserts and dishes with crusts, such as cheesecakes. This thoughtfully designed pan is built to last and comes with 50 pre-cut parchment liners for added convenience. Available in sizes ranging from 6-inch to 10, these pans are compatible with 6 or 8-quart pressure cookers. We appreciate the chemical-free coating on this pan, though we admit it could be more non-stick. Despite the Springform design and included parchment liners, we still needed to use a knife to loosen the graham cracker crust of our cheesecake from the base. Fortunately, cleaning and storing this pan is effortless, and it's sure to become a trusted tool in your baking adventures. The spring buckle design makes unmolding baked goods a breeze. Just release the detachable bottom and separate the wall of the pan from your dessert. The non-stick surface ensures your creations come out quickly and easily, ready to impress. Number 2. Fat Daddy-O's anodized aluminum round cake pan set. Round cake pans are an essential staple in any baker's toolkit due to their incredible versatility. They are perfect for crafting birthday layer cakes, Italian ricotta cheesecakes, clafoutis, and more. This 3-piece set stands out for its commercial-grade anodized aluminum construction, which is lightweight yet durable. The aluminum design ensures quick and even heating, helping cakes bake faster without drying out and cooling rapidly for easy handling when transferring cake rounds to a rack. The set includes 3-inch, 5-inch, and 7-inch diameter pans, each with a 2-inch height. In testing, one box of cake mix baked beautifully across the set. The variety of sizes allows you to create cakes for any occasion. We especially loved the smallest pan for making an adorable smash cake. These pans are best hand-washed and are simple to clean, even when batter sticks to the bottom or sides. If you choose to use a dishwasher, keep in mind the anodized finish will oxidize due to the high heat and harsh detergents. Though the pans will remain functional, durable and flexible, this set is a must-have for bakers of all skill levels. Pros: professional-grade pans, convenient variety of sizes, even heat distribution, anodized aluminum. Cons: aluminum finish oxidizes if machine washed. Number 3. Wilton Perfect Results Non-Stick Bundt Cake Pan. The Wilton Perfect Results 9-inch fluted tube bundt pan is an outstanding choice for a specialty cake pan, combining affordability with top-tier performance. Made from heavy-gauge chromium steel, it ensures even heat distribution for perfectly baked cakes. Its wide, shallow grooves create a timeless design while also making it easy to release your baked creations effortlessly. Thoughtfully crafted for convenience, the pan features sturdy handles for a secure grip and a wide lip to catch any overflowing batter during baking. Despite its durable construction, this pan is surprisingly lightweight, though its size can make storage challenging. While the non-stick coating enhances ease of use, it would be even better if it were both PFOA and PTFE free. Additionally, the deep 9-inch design results in a generously sized cake, perfect for sharing, though a smaller option would add versatility to the lineup. To preserve the pan's non-stick coating, handle it with care. While it's dishwasher safe, the manufacturer recommends washing it by hand with warm, soapy water for the best longevity. If treated gently, this pan will reliably help you bake beautiful cakes for years to come. Number 4. Nordic Ware Platinum Collection Anniversary Bundt Pan. In the early 1950s, the owner of Nordic Ware, a Minneapolis-based company, designed what would become the iconic bundt pan for the Hadossa Society, a group of women eager to recreate European kugelhops. After catching the eye of a national baking competition, the pan quickly became a household staple across the U.S. This anniversary edition takes the classic design that made Nordic Ware famous and introduces it to a new generation, complete with thoughtful updates. The pan is slightly heavier than other bundts, but this weight seems like a worthwhile trade-off for its exceptional baking performance. We found that cakes released effortlessly, with no need for additional greasing. The pan's sturdy handles make it easy to move in and out of the oven, as well as to flip the cake out once it's ready to cool. Nordic Ware states that the pan can hold between 10 to 15 cups of batter, And our tests showed it comfortably accommodates up to 14 cups, baking cakes beautifully depending on the batter type. To maintain its finish, the pan should be hand-washed with a soft sponge and warm, soapy water. Avoid using abrasive sponges, tools, or soaps to preserve the integrity of the surface. Number 5. Wilton 110-inch Angel Food Tube Cake Pan. Like the Wilton square pans, the Wilton Angel Food Cake 10-inch tube pan delivers excellent quality at a great value. While it's available in a chromium steel version with a non-stick coating, we chose to test the professional-grade aluminum model. This version stands out for its quick cooling properties, removable bottom and core, and built-in feet that elevate the pan for effortless cooling, a welcome upgrade from the traditional method of precariously balancing an angel food or chiffon cake on a long-neck bottle. Despite not being the heavyweight pan it's advertised as, our baking tests suggest it will last for years with proper care and storage. The PFOA-free non-stick coating allows cakes to release smoothly from the sides, but we did encounter some difficulty cleanly removing the core without tearing part of the cake top. However, this is a common challenge when baking cakes that require an ungreased pan for proper rise. Overall, the thoughtful design of this pan simplifies the often finicky process of baking and cooling delicate cakes, making it a valuable addition to any baker's collection. Pros: feet elevate pan, eliminating the need to cool on a bottle. Pop-up bottom improves cake removal, quick cool time. Cons: thin aluminum for a professional pan.